on, man. You gotta throw the aces up. Oh my Lord, look.
Man, we was on the other street waiting on Action Jackson.
Spending too much. How you feeling? Feeling ace time. Y'all see what's going on? Yes, sir. Outside Houston, baby. Yes. Absolutely, man. How you feeling? Ace City. How you doing, bro? You come on, man. Look. We out here in Houston right now, going nuts, man. Hey, look, I'm with the guys today. Come on, man. What's up, man? I got hard riders in here today. It's a movie, man. Y'all know what time it is. Tell me where we at one time.
We're at Round 3 Clubhouse, grand opening.
Yes,
we
sir.
We're rocking the house racing out here on the hard riders method.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, man. I'm with my guys. Good seeing you, man. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Can you tell me where we at one time? Houston, H-Town. Oh, my Lord. Come on, man. You got to throw the aces up. Oh, my Lord. Look, let's go. How y'all doing today? It's good seeing y'all. Come on, look. It's a movie, man. Look. Yeah, look, man. I just pulled up to the new Rare Breed. I just pulled up to the new Rare Breed Clubhouse in Houston. Look, we got all the guys out here today, man. We got the bikes. They might be racing and whatnot. They know what time it is, man. Let's see what's going on. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you feeling?
Happy holidays.
Man, same to you, man. What's up, man? How you feeling? Yeah, so what we doing out here today, man?
Man, we was on the other street waiting on Action Jackson.
He didn't pull up yet?
Nah.
Man, come on, man. Nah. So what we got out here, man? Anybody racing? We're just doing test passes all day.
We've been at another shootout. We just got here.
Yeah, so y'all been racing all day?
Since like 4 o'clock.
Yeah? Damn, I missed out. I ain't gonna lie. I missed out, man. Y'all see me out here, though. Like, they been racing since 4, but it's all good. We gonna get it together right now, man. We gonna get it together right now, man. We gonna see what's poppin'. They said they been racing all day. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good. Good seeing you, man. Oh shit, what's up, fool? How you feeling, man? Good seeing you, bro. Hey, my God.
Hey, my boy,
what's up, man?
Lovely, boy.
Yeah, you know, it's love. Are you seen him?
Oh, man.
Hey, man, you gotta tell the people, man. You got a sneak peek, man. What you think?
Hey, it's all the thing. That's my line, bro.
Yeah. It look nice, right?
Man.
I appreciate it, man. It's love.
You seen how he did, man? You look at it? Oh,
come on, man.
You know.
The new CVO is coming together.
That nigga got you looking right.
The new CVO is coming together. I can't wait.
We out here getting it on, man.
Come on, man. Tell them where we at one time, man.
Yeah, we in that H-time, baby.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Y'all know where we at, man. We in Houston, Texas.
Hey, if you ain't letting the clutch though, don't even come out here.
Right, he said you gotta pop the clutch, man, for us to get some action around here, man. Let's go, man. Let's see what we got. They down there, they about to race and whatnot. I don't know what they about to do. We about to see what's up, man. We trying to get it going. I don't know what's going on down here. They got big trucks and all that all in the way. But we gonna try to figure it out and get it going, though. Let's see. Over here where the finish line is. This the finish line because down there it's like a corner and a turn. If you don't brake, you're gon' crash, man. So let's hope everybody brakes right here where the finish line is. Let's see what we got. He must have won because he came back fast and first. He must have won. Let's see.
What up? Spending too much. Huh? Spending too much.
He's spending too much.
I'm lyrically inclined to be a poet. $1 million crew from Southside.
up. Hold on, line up. I think Kelly come out the whole flip it. Come on, hey. Come on, come on.
He said, don't worry, let some air out that thing, man. Don't worry, let some air out that thing, man. We gonna get it right. Come on, man. We got hard riders in the house today. We got hard riders in the house tonight. That W-dub. They about to get some races in down here. Like I said, it's only from the stop sign to literally right here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Me personally, I can't race on this street because my bike a little bit too fast for this short little block. I'll get in like second gear and be at the end of the block already. But I don't know how they doing it, man. I ain't gonna lie, they better than me. They got some really good brakes. They got some really good brakes. Let's see if we can get up. Here we go. Come on, let's see what we got. Left lane. Left lane. Left lane. Left lane got that, John. So I can get some real action. Street glide got it. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, that's scary. They got a car pulling down there. I ain't gonna lie, that's a little spooky. Ooh. Yeah, that's a little spooky. I ain't gonna lie, I'm good. You get into like third gear, fourth gear, right here, it's a wrap, buddy. It looked like left lane got that one though. Street glide for the win. Street glide for the win. Down to pound is in the house. Down to pound is in the house. Let's go. Free glide.